In just a little over 2 weeks, Samsung will unveil its main flagship of the year, the Galaxy S10 series. But when the Galaxy S10 phones do become official, they won't have many secrets left. We saw the design leak months ago, and then all the other details were revealed in reports that followed. We know everything about the specs, the cameras, and the pricing structure. We even have press renders from various sources. And now we have the first video review of the new design Samsung envisioned for the Galaxy S line. Unlike the Pixel 3 phone, which was reviewed months before Google unveiled it last year, the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 units that you'll see in Mark's Brownlee video at the end of this post are unreal phones. They dummy units that smartphone case makers used for their designs. However, they sure do look like the actual phones, featuring the same design elements that were mentioned in countless reports and that we saw in recent leaks. The Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus come with 6.1-inch and 6.4-inch Infinity displays that screens featuring punch-hole cameras in the top right corner. That a single-lens camera on the Galaxy S10 and a dual-lens selfie camera on the Galaxy S10 Plus. The screens will incorporate in-display fingerprint readers, as there are no rear-facing sensors on the back. Both phones feature triple-lens cameras on the back, placed horizontally, next to the flash and the heart rate sensor. On the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack next to the USB-C port and the speaker. The top speaker, meanwhile, looks like a tiny iPhone X notch, wedged in between the metal frame and the glass. The back of the phone will also be made of glass to support wireless charging, and both the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus will feature curved edges. However, the phones will look more like the Galaxy Note than previous Galaxy S phones. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S10 series on February 20th, and launch it in stores a few weeks later. While you wait, check out the Brownlee full video below.